I'm going to change the memory in my Samsung laptop. You can change the memory in a Acer, Toshiba, Asus, HP, Dell, Bell, any name that they are. This one is Samsung. One cup of coffee. I'm going to change the memory on my computer. You need a screwdriver that's Phillips. Right, but don't tell Philip. The first thing you do is take the battery out. Like so. Then you get Phillips screwdriver and you undo the memory. It says memory on it here, memory. You get one of these special screwdrivers that's a magnet. And there's only 2 screws, so you don't need to mess about. And when you've took the screws, undo it like so. Oh, it's a bit dusty. This section is the memory that I'm changing. Now carefully, don't touch anything else. You have 2 side clips, and you put these clips, and it comes out really well. Gently, not touching anything else. There's your memory. Right. Now, when you're replacing it, always make sure you get the right memory, because this is wrong. So it doesn't fit. So this is crucial. Otherwise you have a laptop with no memory. I've got a new memory here. Make sure that it goes in at an angle and it slides in, and then gently with the tips it clips back in itself. Then you get your cover and that clips back in nicely. Get Phillips and your nails, screws I mean, not nails. Don't hammer it in. And screw them back in. Then you put your battery back in, that just slides and clicks. And there you go, new memory.